they've gotten off to a slow start the first couple of months is the fact that they never really played with each other before. I mean, you couldn't be more contrasting. That's a pitch outside that Norris did not like, but Michael Lorenzen gets his first strikeout. I mean, after all, when you throw a team together at the last minute, and just because they have individual good grades and they grade out on the scouting scale and so on, and they're good acquisitions on paper, it doesn't mean when you put them together they're going to mesh. I mean, when you compare that to the Reds, their core has been together longer than any other team in the National League.